Alright guys, so the time that we all have been waiting for on Tapswap is finally here, and right now they are done with the token allocation. And so right now when you head over to your bot, you can see that everything has actually started afresh. All your points are gone, all you have earned so far are gone. But when we look over here right now, you can see we have a new thing right here, which is the ticket that they are trying to tell us that they have finally allocated for to everyone, which they can use and then access their new website or skill game that they are launching. But the funny part of this whole thing is when you check out your allocation after all this while. So when you click over here guys on the drop, you can see right here that this is where your allocation is showing up right here. You can see personally I got around 260 taps, and this is, to be honest, this is very funny because I'm just wondering the price at which they are going to be listing at. Okay, so a lot of people spend a lot of time on this many app. For people like me personally, I started Tapswap immediately after they launched, about just a couple of days after they launched, and I spent almost 1 full year on Tapswap trying to get something reasonable. But right now they are giving just 260 tap. But now listen clearly, this is where the whole thing lies. Okay, so right now that everyone is complaining about how little the token allocation is, the token allocation is not actually the problem. The problem is their market cap when they are finally going to be listing on several different exchanges. Because right now that I personally have 260 tap, if they happen to list at a price of, let me say, $0.5, I will say that yeah, that is manageable. Or if they list at $1, then yes, that is still okay. But if they should list around anything below $0.01, then you know that there's going to be a lot of a lot of people won't be very happy about it. But right now that they are giving people a very little token allocation, if they should list at a very good price, then fine, the allocation will be okay and there will be no complaint and the community will be happy again. Right, taking you right now to their Twitter account, you can see they have made several important announcements today. For example, over here you can see they say something like they are now going to be migrating to BNB Smart Chain, that is Binance Smart Chain. Initially when Tapswap actually launched, they actually launched on Solana blockchain, and as time goes on, they now decided to switch to Ton blockchain, but finally they have now switched again to BNB Smart Chain. So the whole thing is funny, but all we care about as airdrop hunters is how much we are going to be making. Okay, even if they should launch on any blockchain of their choice, it is not really our concern. But right now guys, let's go back and talk about the most important part, which is what actually concerns the token allocation. So over here guys, this is their latest tweet right here, and it was made about 1 hour ago. When I click on it right now, you can see this is where they actually talked about the ticket that they gave us on our bot, which is what I talked about right here, this ticket over here, this ticket. Okay, so right now this is where they say that they have given everyone tickets which they are going to be using to join their new skill-based game platform that they're going to be launching very soon. And actually they also provided about $1 million as a prize pool for all the winners of the epic competition that's going to be taking place there. But that's not the funny part of this. What I'm most interested on right here is what the people are actually commenting. So you can see this guy right here said the beta list from $10. This is practically impossible. They are not going to be listing at $10. Do not even dream of that. Though it is not impossible, but that is almost about 90% impossible. So you can see he said, or she said rather, the beta list from $10 cost is this. Okay, right now they say from 1.3 million taps to the allocation. So this guy literally got about 445 taps, which is way better than mine, like 2x of mine. And when you scroll down again, you can see this guy right here literally say, taps fine, go wine you, but no panic, I only need $5 so I can drink beer and forget about it. Some people are really funny. So this is all that this guy actually concerns about. And here this guy says something like okay, you can see this case right here. This guy literally didn't qualify on Tapswap airdrop. So if you are not qualified, then you need to know that a lot of people out there also did not qualify for the Tapswap airdrop. So when I scroll them again, you can see this guy right here received about 392 taps token. What are yours guys? Okay, he's trying to tell us what he got. And over here guys, this is also what interests me somehow. This guy, I don't know if this was actually edited, but when you observe this picture, you can see that this is a kind of the details that are involved while you are trying to make transaction. For example, right now that the network fee on BEP2 or BEP20, which is a Binance Smart Chain, which is also one of the blockchain that is very, very cheap in terms of network fee, is actually trying to charge 22 taps just to make a withdrawal of Tapswap coin. If this information here is really, really true, like if it is very, very true that you are going to be charged 23 taps to withdraw your Tapswap, it means go and buy better nose mask, you get. But I don't believe in this. I think this is just edited. Okay, so right now we scroll down again, you can see a lot of people are actually a kind of angry. Okay, you can see this guy right here literally got only 22 taps. I mean, I just pray that Tapswap is going to be listing around a price beyond $1 or $0.5. So if they list anything below that, then the community is surely not going to be happy, and definitely they are they may lose some their users. Okay, because it is not really a good thing that after spending several months to farm airdrop, you will end up trying to play with people's feeling or something like that. So but right now guys, this is all we know for now. And also remember, this is just the beginning. Nobody really knows what the listing price is going to be. If their listing price should be very okay, even if you got only 10 taps, that is something that you should be thankful for, because it is totally free, though your times and your resources are there. Okay, so I pray that they list around price beyond $0.5 just to put smile on the community. But if they list anything below $0.1, then I mean, it is totally game over. All right, so this is the latest updates right now about Tapswap. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Did you qualify? How many taps token did you get? Right now I'll be waiting for you on the comment section. Let's now talk about this and see what we're gonna arrive at finally. Remember, the TGE date is on the 13th of February, which is literally about less than 10 days from now. Okay, so this is all we know for now, and right now stay positioned for what's coming, and we will meet at the end to know what we are finally going to be cashing out from Tapswap. Peace out, and of course, do have a lovely day.